This is Central BCC. Multiple SWAT units responding code 3 to CP at 127th and Adelaide. Barricade situation.
Gold, fall in on me.
On my way.
With you.
Sierra 1 reporting. I have an unknown in sight.
Get her open and clear it. Check. On it. Suspect spotted.
Let's move! Weapons and hit the floor!
Suspect in sight.
Police! Doors going no weapons!
Suspect
Area clear.
Sierra 1 to entry team. I've lost sight of the target.
Suspect has complied.
Hands in the air! Get down!
Try anything, secure him. I got it, clown.
You didn't hear what those bastards said. Keep it quiet.
Suspect in
This
custody.
is entry team.
Take it
Make
easy,
him secure.
I'm on it, boss.
Sierra 1 to entry team. Suspect entered
Piece of
storage
trash.
area side 4
Secure
level 1.
suspect. Gumshoe.
Move and clear. Got it.
Go! 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 Get those hands up! No!
Moving on.
Sierra 1 reporting. The target has moved away.
Clear. In position. Clear.
It's clear.
Take her into custody. Here we go. It's almost over.
I don't believe this.
Restrained civilian.
TOC, this is entry team. Civilian secured and ready to evacuate. Roger that. Trailer standing by.
Open and clear. UCS. On it, sir.
Let's go! Get down and put your hands up! Get those hands up! Put your hands up and get down!
It's clear.
Police! Put your hands up!
Make her secure. I got it.
We'll get you out of here.
No sudden moves.
Doesn't fight, right? So suspect calls now, guys.
Suspect
Copy. Keep it up.
Behind me.
Roger. Moving to you.
With you.
Get through there. Go. Check. On it.
It's locked. Make it noisy? You gotta move away from
Clear.
that.
Go when ready.
C2 going in.
Suspect in sight. Suspect down. Clear. Suspects.
Put your hands in the air!
TOC, this is entry team. We've got a lot of injured civilians here.
Drop your weapons and hit the
Roger that. Contacting dispatch for additional EMT support. Roger that. EMTs standing by. Entry team to...
Regroup on me. Regroup and follow me.
Roger. Moving to you.
I'm with you.
Get out of the way.
Move over. Get her open and clear it. Roger that, sir.
Let's move! Let's move!
No visible threats.
Continuing.
Gerard, clear here.
Clear. Field's clear. Regroup on me.
In position.
Open and bang. Clear it. Copy. On it.
Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Police!
Let him
Get
go.
down!
Suspect is very care.
There's a down suspect here. Copy.
Suspect contact.
Entry team to TOC.
Suspect
We have a suspect down.
Police! On your knees!
Suspect in
Police!
Suspect down.
Get down! Hands in the air!
Stay down. Take him into custody. Cuff him. Check. On it.
Suspect in!
Suspect neutralized.
Doc, this is entry team. We have a dead suspect. Roger that. Standing by for down suspect here. Roger. Waiting for your all clear.
Make him secure. Take him into custody. Busy.
Police, drop the weapon.
Suspect neutralized. Make him secure. Check. On it.
Talk, this is entry team to talk. There's a down suspect here.
All right, that's enough. Regroup. Be ready to move.
Check. He's joining you.
At your back, sir.
Run.
Red team. Open and clear. Move when ready. Blue, sir. Get in there and clear.
Blue team.
Here we go.
Move it! Go! Go! Go!
Clear so far. Moving forward.
Go!
Room
Reynolds.
clear.
No visible threats. Moving forward.
All clear.
It's clear. Gold. Fall in and stay close. I'll take point. Open it. Go when ready. On it.
Talk, this is entry team. Suspect killed. Copy. Continue mission.
Let's roll. No visible threats.
Fall in.
Let's go.
Clear.
I got clear.
Stay with me. I'm on point.
Entry team to talk. Suspect is secured and ready for transport. Roger that. Standing by for further reports.
Got your back, boss.
Get her open and clear it.
I got it.
In here!
Door's locked. Confirm orders.
Get in there and clear.
Copy. On it. Say goodbye to Mr. Door. Suspect contact. Trailers.
Talk, this is entry team. I have an injured civilian ready to evacuate. Copy. Notifying EMTs.
Don't make any
Entry
trouble.
team to talk. Civilian hit. In need of medical attention. Talk, this is entry team. Suspect is injured and in need of medical attention.
Clear that room.
Talk, this is entry team. Injured civilian ready for evac. Roger that. EMTs standing by.
Move and clear. Go. Keep it moving. Clear it. Right on. Fall in on me. On your 6.
I don't
Doc,
believe
entry
this.
team to talk.
Mia,
Civilian
I
ready
thought
to
you were going to
evacuate.
rescue us.